Starting with a clean workstation, make sure everything from the lashes to your tools are organized, neat, and sanitized to avoid cross-contamination. Make sure your hands are washed and your client should already have all her makeup done. Remember, lashes are the last step to finishing off any makeup look. Gently take the strip lash off the tray and hold it along the client's lash line about 1 millimeter away from the tear duct. If you have to trim the strip lash, then this will be the next step. Always trim from the outer corners. The tip of your scissors should point downward towards the band of the lashes. Never cut the fibers going upwards because you can accidentally cut off some lash hairs and ruin it. Now it's time to apply the eyelash adhesive to the lash band. Put a small amount of adhesive on the dampened dish. Use a toothpick or Ardell's lash applicator to thinly apply the lash adhesive to the lash band. This is so important for sanitation purposes. Once you have a nice even amount of adhesive on the lash band, wait about 15 to 30 seconds for the adhesive to get tacky. Make sure to never blow on your client's eyelashes. As the adhesive starts to dry, it starts to get tacky and allows for an easier mess-free application. Let's move on to the final step and apply these lashes. Don't forget your client's eyes should always be looking down and not be shut so tightly. Use your fingers or Ardell's eyelash applicator to lay the strip lash on the skin right on top of your client's lash line. The closer to the lash line, the better. Be sure to check the corners of each lash and make sure the strip lash is secure in place since that will be the first thing to lift. Apply more adhesive if needed. Your client is now good to go. Her lashes will last all day.